online tutorial on Python programming by your student professor Raja Subramanian from Kalasalingam Academy of Research and Education. So after seeing the introduction of Pandas, I think I can directly go into some basic programs by using data frames. Yes, here I have a simple program. Assume that I need to use a package. So what I will use, I will use import the particular package or module name. So in my package is going to be pandas. So I say import pandas, and I list here as PD. So it means that hereafter this name pandas will be referred as PD. Now I have a dictionary details. Details is equal to name colon king. So name is going to be the key, age is going to be the key, and price is going to be the key. I'm having values, and if you note clearly, all my values are enclosed within square brackets. So it is actually list of values. The main thing to understand here is you can convert any dictionary into data frame only when you have a key with a list of value pairs, not just key value pairs, a key with a list of value pairs. So this list is actually going to represent your rows in the data frames, rows and columns. So you should always enclose your values in lists. Now I'm having a name with one item in my list. Here also an age is one item and the price is one item. I want to convert this dictionary into a data frame. So what can I do? Yes, B is equal to B. The data frame B is equal to PD dot data frame. That is the syntax. PD dot data frame of the particular dictionary name details also. So if I print B, you will get a data frame with name, age, and price. See, name, age, and price, king, 12, and 1, the values. The more important thing to understand here is the value 0, how it is printed. Now, in dictionaries, we have something called as keys, which is used to uniquely represent my data. So, I can index my data using that key. But in data frames, I don't have such indexing machines. So, what I will use, Pandas is providing me an inbuilt indexing called as indexer, which will you automatically generate index for all my rows that is created. Initially, it will start with 0, and for subsequent rows, it will be incremented by 1. Now, to be more clear, let us go into somewhat thing called, I'll increase the number of values, king, queen, minister, soldier, just for a namesake, 14, 12, 11, 1, 4, 3, 2. Yes, I have 4 rows. Now what will be that is, initially only one item is there, now there are 4 items. So what happened? I'll get 4 rows and 4 columns. That's it, very simple. Yes, I had 4 rows and 4 columns. And if you see here, I have indexing for 0, 1, 2, 3 because there are 4 columns starting from 0. I can make it as 3. The main thing to understand here is how to access. Now I want to access age. How can I access age? The thing is very simple. I will say print my data frame name is B of, and I want to access the age. So just to say age, B of age. So I'll get all the values pertaining to age alone separately. Let me print it separately. Yes, I got only the age 12, 14, 12, 11, and the name of that data frame is age, and the type of the data frame is integer 64 bits. Similarly, I can use many other things also. Now, assume that I want to get age of minister alone. Then what I will use, just to say, minister will come from 0. This is, king is 0, queen is 1, and minister is 2. So I will say B of age of 2. So what will happen now? The 2 is actually an indexing term. That index is automatically generated. So I will say B of age of 2. So indexing and accessing the data frame is very simple, like how you do for list. In the next video, we will see more detail about data frames to extract data directly from a CSV file.